Good morning, boys and girls. Today in Foundations, we're going to continue working now in Unit 11. We started that this week with those new spelling words yesterday. And we're going to learn about a new syllable pattern, vowel, consonant, E. Now, we've already learned about this pattern in school when we talk about silent E or magic E. So it's something you've seen before. But today, I want to show you how to mark up a word with this syllable pattern. So let's take a look at some words I have here. Bike, ape, and stove. And let's talk about how we're going to mark up these words. So first thing we want to notice is that bike is one syllable. So we're going to draw that line, that scoop it all up. That's one syllable. Bike. You even clap it. Bike. We also said at school it was like one push of air when you say it. So bike, one syllable, has that E on the end, and it's a silent E. We don't hear it. We don't say bike E. We just say bike. So when we mark it in Foundations, we're going to put a line through that E to show there's no sound there. He's silent. Okay? And what we also have learned in school is that when there's a magic E or a E on the end of a word, that means that other vowel that's inside is going to be a long vowel sound. So this I says its own name. It says I. Remember, the short I says I. That doesn't say I. It says I. B. I. K. So there's a mark that we're going to use for a long vowel, and that's called a macron. And it goes straight across like that. That shows that that I is saying its long vowel sound. Now there's something else we need to do. We need to label this vowel syllable pattern. And the way we do that is we put the V, and a dash, and an E. And what that's saying is this syllable is a vowel, consonant, E. So vowel would be the I, the consonant would be the K. Sometimes it can be a blend, but here it's the K, and then the E. All right, let's try the next word, ape. So how many syllables is that? You can clap it or just say it. Ape, one. So this entire word is one syllable. We'll put a line underneath it. Did you see what else we need to do? Did you say put a line through the E? You're right, because that is a silent E. Does not make a sound. And now we need to label this vowel. So we're going to put a macron across the top. That's a straight little line to show this vowel says A, not short vowel, ah. So ape, ape. We're not finished yet. We need to label the syllable pattern. And what it is, it's a vowel with a syllable and then an E on the end. This vowel is making that, this E is making that vowel a long vowel sound. And when we have a long vowel sound for this syllable, remember we call that open. All right, one more here, stove. Let's see how many syllables are in the word stove. Go ahead and clap it. Stove, one. So we need to mark that whole word as one syllable. You tell me what's next. That's right. Cross off the E to show that E is a silent E. It does not make a sound. And let's take a look at this vowel. Is it a long vowel or a short vowel? I hope you said it's a long vowel. Stove. It's making its long vowel sound. And we also know that whenever there's a magic E, a silent E on the end, that middle vowel is going to have a long sound. So let's put that macron over the top. And now we still have to mark the type of a pattern it is. And it is a vowel, consonant, and then an E on the end. V-E. V-E. for a vowel, and then a consonant, and then an E. All right, so on your work this morning, I have a few words that I want you to mark. You can write them on a separate piece of paper or your Smart Pal. Remember to show me the number of syllables, or if it's one syllable. Remember to show me that the E is silent, the vowel will be long, and show me that pattern. All right, can't wait to see what you show me.